Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Samsung Galaxy F54. So if you want to open the home screen, just hold the finger on the display. Now we can jump to the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just expand the Select tab and hold the widget. Now choose the place for it on the home screen. You can also change the size of it by swiping the edge. If you want to remove that, just hold the finger and choose remove. That's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold it up and drop onto another. Now we can change the folder color, and we can also add a name in this place. If you click on the plus, you can add more apps. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps from it. Now you can go to the home screen settings. There you have a home screen grid if you want to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. So just tap on anyone and go back. And there we have also the media page to home screen. We can set it to the Google Discover or Samsung Free. This is the always -1 screen on the left side. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.